Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in Michigan. So all you have to do is head over to michigan.gov, and from here just click on the search button, and we're just going to search for food stamps. And from the search recommendations, just click on apply for food stamps. Next, from the search results, just click on food assistance. Then start by clicking on Apply for Assistance. And from here, just click on Apply for Benefits. And you can start creating an account or log into an existing account. But if you don't have a phone number or email, you can apply as a guest. Just click on Continue as a guest. So before you proceed, you can read these few tips so you can successfully submit the application as a guest. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. And this is where your application starts. Make sure that you read all the questions being asked and make sure that you answer them all correctly and accurately. And in the left panel, you can check your progress and all the fields you're going to need to go through to finalize your application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!